This 2023 Winnebago Adventurer 35F is a Class A RV. It is located in Las Vegas, Nevada, 89121 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Las Vegas. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features a MOJAVE Dusk interior, sleeps 5, slide-out, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, rear bath. This 2023 Winnebago Adventurer 35F is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.